Hello there, guys! Welcome to Hiatus Lesson Green Level Week 6. Today, we're going to start with Phonics Review. Okay, welcome to our Phonics Review lesson for Week 6. Today, we're going to look at some more two-letter sounds. Okay, first we have A and R. Okay, when we read A and R, it doesn't sound like A-er. Instead, it sounds like R, R. Now, to make this sound, your tongue moves. To begin with, your tongue is flat, just like you were saying octopus. Ah, then it moves to the back of your mouth, R, R. Okay, if your tongue doesn't move, you cannot make this sound. Okay, one more time. R, R. Okay, let's look at a word. Make sure you see the two letters together. R, arg. Go back to the beginning. Targ, target, target, target. Very good. Okay, next let's look at the letters O and R. Okay, so again, to make this sound, you have to move your tongue. To start off with, we say O, O, just like Japanese a, I, U, E, O. O, our tongue is flat, O, and then our tongue moves, or. One more time, or. Make sure your lips are round, or. Okay, and our word is or, org. Go to the beginning, forg, forget, forget. One more time, or, org, forg, forget, forget. Very good. Next, we have two E's written together. It doesn't sound like eh. Two E's together sounds like E, E. To make this sound, you have to smile. E. Okay, let's take a look at a word. Okay, here we have I, Ix, six. Okay, let's remember that half. And then we go to the second half. E, in, teen. And if we say both together, we get 16. Let's read it one more time. I, Ix, six. Remember that. Second half. E, in, teen. Together, 16. Now, another way of making the same E sound is to write E and A. Okay? E and A. We do not read it a. Those two letters together, we read E. E. Our word is E, in, go to the beginning, lean, and all the way to the beginning, clean, cleaner. One more time. E, in, lean, clean, cleaner. Very good. Now, last week we learned the ER sound. But actually, we can make the same sound using other letters. For example, if we use I and R, we still read it er. In fact, this is what we use to make the word girl. Earl, girl. Okay, let's take a look at a bigger word. Here we have ert. Go to the beginning. Thirty, 13. One more time. Ert, thirty, 13. Very good. We can also make the same sound, with U and R. Okay, it's pronounced the same. Your tongue is in the back of your mouth from the beginning. Er. Okay, and our word is erd. Go to the beginning. Murder. One more time. Erd, murder. Terrific. Okay, that is it for this week's phonics review lesson. Okay, next week we're going to move on with a few more two-letter sounds. See you then. Okay, next on our program we have Puppet Theater. Have fun.
What's this? It's an artichoke. Try it. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't like it. That's okay.
Let's watch it again.
What's this? It's an artichoke. Try it. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't like it. That's okay.
This time you take the part of Mom.
What's this? Okay. I'm sorry. I don't like it.
Let's try it one more time with no hints.
What's this? Okay. I'm sorry. I don't like it.
This time you take the part of Jenny.
It's an artichoke. Try it. That's okay.
Let's try it one more time with no hints.
It's an artichoke. Try it. That's okay.
Okay, and to finish up today's activities, we have sentence diagramming. Welcome to Hiatus Lesson Green Level, Sentence Diagramming Week 6. For the past 5 weeks, we've been learning how to diagram English sentences so that we can understand how sentences are constructed in English. Today, we're going to test how well we've learned sentence diagramming. If you need to, go back and review the 5 video lessons we've had so far. You're going to practice diagramming 10 sentences. The first 7 sentences will give you the shape of the diagram, so all you have to do is put the words on the correct lines. The last 3 problems will only give you a sentence. You will have to do the diagramming on your own. For each problem, pause the video and diagram the sentence in your notebook. Take as much time as you need. If there are words you don't know, check them in your dictionary. When you've finished the test, I will show you the correct answers. Ready? Here we go. Number 1. Junko fell on the slick ice. Number 2. Your coffee always tastes terrible. Number 3. A red convertible drove past. Number 4. Keiko did her homework last night. Number 5. Hiro and I took the bus home. Number 6. The teacher gave us a warning. Number 7. Fax Hiroshi a copy of the letter. Okay, for the next 3 problems, you will need to draw your own diagram. Number 8. Mary eats cold pizza for breakfast. Number 9. Did Eddie paint the bookcase? Number 10. The breeze was very refreshing. Okay, how did you do? Was it easy or difficult? Let's check our answers. Number 1. The base sentence is Junko fell. The prepositional phrase on ice tells us where she fell, so it modifies the verb. The and slick modify ice. What kind of ice was it? Number 2. Our base sentence is coffee tastes terrible. Notice that when a sentence ends in an adjective, the adjective is an object complement, just as if the verb was a be verb, so it follows a diagonal line. Your modifies coffee. Always is an adverb that modifies the verb. Number 3. The base sentence is convertible drove. A and read modify the subject. Past is an adverb that tells where it drove. Number 4. Our base sentence is Keiko did homework. Her modifies the object, homework. Night tells us when she did the homework, so it modifies the verb. Last is an adverb that modifies night. It tells us which night, so it goes under night. Number 5. This sentence has a compound subject, Hiro and I. The verb is took, and the object is bus. The modifies bus, and home tells us where they took the bus, so it modifies the verb. Number 6. Our base sentence is teacher gave us warning. This sentence has both a direct and indirect object. The modifies teacher, and a modifies the direct object warning. You probably found this one difficult. This sentence is what we call an imperative sentence, or meireke,
in Japanese. An imperative sentence begins with the verb and usually skips the subject. The subject is actually you, but we almost never say it because it's understood. So we put an X where the subject should go. The verb is fax, the indirect object is hiroshi, and the direct object is copy. We only want one copy, so a modifies copy, and the prepositional phrase of the letter tells us what copy to fax, so it also modifies copy. Number 8. Okay, these last three problems didn't show the diagram. You had to draw your own. How did you do? Our base sentence is Mary eats pizza. Cold modifies the object pizza. For lunch is a prepositional phrase that tells when she eats the pizza, so it modifies the verb. Number 9. The base sentence for this question was Eddie did paint and bookcase. The modifies bookcase. Number 10. Our base sentence was breeze was refreshing. It's a be verb, so we need a diagonal line before the adjective refreshing. The modifies the subject, breeze, and very is an adverb that modifies the adjective, refreshing. Okay, how did you do? This is the end of our look at sentence diagramming. I hope it has helped you understand how English sentences are constructed.
Okay, boys and girls, that is it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you come back next Friday for our next lesson. In the meantime, have fun, stay safe. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.